How to fix verification code not receiving on Android. So if you are not receiving verification codes on your Android device, the first step you need to follow is to check internet connections. Ensure that you have a stable mobile network or Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is not working properly, you can switch between mobile data and make sure your connection on your network is stable. The second thing you need to notice and confirm that your phone number you provided is correct and includes the country code. If your phone number is not correct and incorrect, then you won't receive any kind of verification codes on your device. The third step is check the SMS settings. You need to tap and hold the SMS icon and tap on the I button. Now here, you need to select the permissions option and ensure that app has permissions to send and receive messages. If your SMS permission is not allowed, then you won't get any kind of message and the verification code on your device. You need to verify that your SMS messages are not being blocked by any of the app or service. You need to check for the spam or blocked number section to see if the verification messages might be blocked. Lastly, make sure to restart your device. Restarting your phone can sometimes resolve issue with receiving SMS. Hold on the power button and slide towards restart and your issue of verification code not receiving will be fixed. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.